Hello friends, today I will be telling you how to remove the background of an image or to create a transparent image in just 10 seconds. You don't need any expensive or complicated software like Photoshop. All you need is Microsoft Word or Microsoft PowerPoint, which most of you will be having it. I'll be using Office 2019, but any version from 2013 should work. So let's begin. I have some images in this folder. I'll be using these images to show you how to remove this background. So first I'll be using this first image. So let's just copy this image. Let's open Microsoft Word. So now we will paste this image here. Now just click this image and now go to format menu. Just click once. After that, go to the first icon, which will be the remove background. So just click once and it is done. It has selected all the area in magenta which will be removed. What you have to do is just press this keep change icon. So now the background of this image is gone. So now we will just check whether it is actually gone or not. So what we do is just copy this image. We'll go to and we'll just paste here in this blue box. Okay, now as you can see, now the image is completely transparent. The background is gone. So let's try with another image. So now we will take the second image, this image of the cup. Let's copy this. This image will delete it and we'll start over. We'll paste the image of the cup. So let's resize it so that you people can see. Now just double click it, or you can go single click and open format, or just double click, the format section will already open. Again just click remove background. So as you have noticed, it will open up another area wherein you have mark areas to keep, mark areas to remove, discard all changes and keep changes. So now when I open this menu, it didn't recognize the entire area. So whatever is in this magenta color will be removed. So but it has selected out some areas which we need actually. So now what we do is we have to mark areas which we need. So we have to click the first icon which tells mark areas to keep and just click this part, and once again and I selected it. Now this area is also magenta, so we have to again just draw a line like this, so it select that. Now at the lower part some area is there, just click once. Okay, now the cup only has been selected and rest has been recognized as background. So just click keep changes. Now background is gone. Now how will we check it? We'll just copy this. We'll go to our second document. Here we will paste it. Okay, now this cup is completely transparent, background is gone. So now we will see one more example. We'll just delete these things. We'll go with the third one. So this is an image of a face. So what we do is we again paste it. We'll double click it. So press remove background. So now again it has selected some area which we already need. So what we do is we'll just go click this mark areas to keep either we can just press dots like this, or you can draw lines like this, so entire area will be removed. Okay, now I have gone across, and some area which needs to be removed is still there, so that is very easy to correct. Just go to mark areas to remove. So wherever I click it, those areas will be removed. Okay, now again we'll go back to mark areas to keep, because this neck part didn't come properly, so we'll just draw like this. Okay, so that is done. So now finally we have to just press keep changes, and background is gone. So we'll just copy this thing and just see whether the background is actually gone. We'll bring it into foreground. Yes, now the background is completely gone. Now what if you want to save it as a PNG image? So that is also very easy. First we will crop it to a level which you want. So I think this much will be good enough, and after that click it, then right click, then you have an option as save picture, save as picture. You click that option, so it will bring in the save file save box. So here you have to select portable network graphics, so this will save with the transparency. So whatever transparency, whatever background you have removed, it will have that transparent part. So we'll just save into desktop, we'll create a small name and we'll save it. Okay, now we will just go back and open. Okay, here is the face icon. We'll just open it and see. So again we'll copy it to make sure whatever we have saved is proper. So we'll delete this and we'll copy it. So bring it to the front. Yes, so now it's perfect. We have successfully removed the background and created a transparent image with no background. So I think this will be helpful for you people. Thank you for watching. If you find my video useful, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.